Hi there, I am Elizabeth from Gennex Technologies, and in this video, I'll be highlighting 3 standout features you should know about Gennex 8 kVA mass twin hybrid inverter. First, let me give you a brief overview on the product. Gennex 8 kVA mass twin hybrid inverter is an 8000 hybrid inverter that performs 3 vital functions. It does the primary function of converting direct current from solar panels to alternate currents required for home and office appliances. It also comes integrated with an MPPT solar charge controller and battery charger to charge your battery from DC source and AC source. Now let's talk about 3 standout features you should know about Gennex 8 kVA mass twin hybrid inverter. First, it has a dual output and a 12-volt DC output. You can connect your critical loads to the first AC output and non-critical loads to the second output, and control how you want to use your battery backup for the non-critical loads. The DC output also allows you to connect the DC loads up to 100 watts directly to your inverter. The second standout feature is the integrated MPPT solar charge controller with a maximum PV input current of 27 amps to support solar panels with higher wattage in the recent trends in the solar industry. And lastly, the inverter comes with inbuilt Wi-Fi monitoring device, which can be operated using an app on your mobile phone. This will aid troubleshooting and maintenance issues if you're an installer, and if you are an end user, it will be easy for you to monitor your system performance. To find out more about Gennex 8 kVA mass twin hybrid inverter, you can purchase this product from our online store, and you can visit the website address displayed on the screen.